Yes, you asked so nicely. This is a song I swore I'd never sing, but in my head you asked for it there, so it's okay, it's justified now. Alright, I'm gonna bring the mood right down, so we leave in a nice chilled headspace.
There was a secret chord that David played. It pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do you? Well, it goes like this: the voice, the fifth, the minor fall, and the major lift, the Bible king composes hallelujah. Strong, but you needed proof, and you saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty and moonlight overthrew you. She tied you to her kitchen chair, she broke your throne, and she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the hallelujah. Maybe there's a God above, but all I've ever learned from love was how to shoot somebody who outdrew you. It's not a cry that you hear at night, it's not someone who's seen the light, it's a cold and it's a broken hallelujah.
Thank you very much.